Thank you, Boo. Avni, hello. You're so... Thank you so much, Avni. Thank you. God bless you. Rain Cloud. Skelly, welcome. Blink if I need help. What is that? If I will blink, money will come or help will come. No live, Yusef. I was not feeling well today. Okay, sis Amna. Everyone is waiting for your live, sis. Please send a super chat or super sticker. 911 tell you blink if you need help. 911. Dial 911, Yosef. Kanhiya, I like you do. Kanhiya, I like you do. You love me. Thank you so much, Kanhiya. Shahid Khan, hello. I'm good, thank you. RK Singh. Rain, rain, go away. Is it raining there? Is it raining in your place now? Haris Bijo, hello. Thank you so much. Welcome. I'll do live tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, sis Amna. Take rest, sis Amna. No worries. Kanhiya, thank you. Kira, are you here? Kira, you have contact with the Lulu, right? Thank you so much, Kanhiya. Thank you. Okay. Feel better first. Yes. Jan is right. Feel better first, sis Amna. Then do live again. Like me, I sleep first, then I do live. Ate, how are you? Mabuti po. Mabuti po, kuya. How are you? I came from Philippines, Kanhiya. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Yes, Jan, much better now. Right about sleep, Anna. Okay, sis Amna. Zeus One Gaming. Zeus, I'm not smoking. Bobby G. Thank you so much, Kanhiya. I know Bobby G means like, respect. Like they are like it's a call to respect. Smile is the first better thing one can do better to world. Yeah, the same with laughter is the best medicine. Bobby G. What is that means, sis Amna? I know only like G is like show respect, like it's showing respect. Hamid Mulana Dokam, welcome. Thank you so much. Brother's wife. Ah, really? it, it's okay. Welcome back, Josh. Welcome back. Thank you so much. I know only G. Like it's like showing like it's like po in Philippines. So it shows respect. That's how I understand, sis Amna. Kanhiya. Welcome back, Josh. Thank you. Chicken and rice. Thank you, Boo. Yes, I ate for my lunch I ate chicken sisig and rice. And I got the spring roll. Thank you, Kanhiya. Thank you. If you're happy and you know. If you're happy and you know. Let's see. CR7 the goat. Do you drink? Yes, I'm drinking occasionally, but not all the time. Very rare.